So we're back with another video featuring content you've never seen before. Today we're diving deep into some transformative tips. Imagine looking in the mirror 30 days from now and seeing a new you. Not just a physical transformation, but feeling unstoppable, energized, and ready to take on the world. What if I told you that in just 1 month, you could radically transform your body and ignite the energy you've always craved? No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just secrets that work. If you're ready to discover the ultimate fitness hacks that actually get results, then this is the video for you. Ready to learn the secrets? Let's dive into this 30-day fitness challenge and unlock the keys to a healthier, fitter you. Secret number 1, building an unbreakable mindset. Before you lift a single weight or plan a single meal, the first thing you need to transform is your mindset. I know, this sounds cliche, but let me explain why it's your most powerful tool. Neuroscience research shows that mental commitment drives physical performance by activating parts of your brain that fuel resilience. Every successful transformation I've seen started here. Your mind is your strongest muscle. Here's a simple hack. Visualize your end goal every morning vividly. Don't just think about it, feel it. Imagine yourself stronger, more energized and confident. Picture yourself reaching your goals. These daily visualizations prime your brain for success, setting you apart from the rest. This mindset shift could be the key to unlocking your next fitness secret. Secret number 2, nutrition. The 80-20 rule for maximum gains. You can't out-train a bad diet. Nutrition is the backbone of any fitness transformation. Prioritize balanced meals with the right mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to fuel your workouts and aid muscle recovery. Nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. The key lies in the 80-20 rule. Focus on 80% nutritious, whole foods, and allow 20% for enjoyment. Here's a pro tip. Eat nutrient-rich foods during the week and treat yourself guilt-free on weekends. But hold on, what if I told you there's a surprising twist on how to curb cravings without feeling deprived? The answer is, you don't have to eliminate your favorite treats to succeed on your fitness journey. The secret lies in mindful indulgence. When cravings hit, instead of reaching for that sugary snack or processed food, try the swap and savor method. For example, if you're craving chocolate, opt for dark chocolate with a higher cocoa content. It's rich, satisfying, and has health benefits when consumed in moderation. Secret number 3, high-intensity interval training. Short bursts, big results. Ever feel like you don't have time? HIIT is your answer. So what exactly is HIIT? It stands for high-intensity interval training, where you alternate between short bursts of intense exercise and brief periods of rest. This style keeps your heart rate up, burns calories faster, and gives you that afterburn effect, meaning you keep burning calories even after your workout. Why choose HIIT? Because it's time efficient. HIIT workouts are typically 15 to 30 minutes, giving you a full workout without hours in the gym. Plus, it builds both strength and cardio, making it perfect for a well-rounded fitness routine. Ready for a quick HIIT workout? Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Set a timer for 30 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. Start with jump squats for 30 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. Next, do push-ups for 30 seconds, then rest for another 15 seconds. Move on to mountain climbers for 30 seconds, take a 15-second rest, and finish with high knees for 30 seconds. Complete the whole sequence and repeat it 3 to 4 times for a full workout. Secret number 4. Sleep, the superpower you're ignoring. Think about this. What if the greatest gains you'll make in your 30-day transformation happen while you're doing nothing at all? That's right. Sleep is the hidden powerhouse behind every successful transformation story. Studies reveal that those who get at least 7 hours of sleep a night have a 50% better chance of seeing noticeable changes in strength and endurance. But what happens if you neglect sleep? Neglecting sleep can sabotage everything you've worked for in your fitness journey. When you don't get enough rest, your body struggles to recover, which can lead to decreased performance, increased fatigue, and even heightened cravings for unhealthy foods. Secret number 5, building a solid foundation. The power of consistency. Last but not least, consistency is key. You don't need to spend hours in the gym every day, but you do need to show up. Building these habits could lead to mind-blowing changes. 30 days of building a habit and a lifetime of results. Ever heard that it takes just 21 days to build a new habit? Building a habit in 21 days is achievable with a focused approach. Start by choosing a specific, realistic behavior you want to adopt and break it down into small, manageable steps. Practice the habit daily at the same time or in the same context to establish a routine. Use reminders like phone alerts or sticky notes to keep you on track, and consider tracking your progress in a journal or app for motivation. While it may take longer for the habit to feel automatic, this consistent effort can lay a strong foundation for long-term success. In 30 days, you'll look back and see the journey you traveled, the strength you've built, and the obstacles you've overcome. This isn't just about a physical change, it's about reshaping your mindset, fueling your potential, and pushing past limits. Imagine feeling unstoppable. Because that's what true transformation gives you: confidence, resilience, and the knowledge that you didn't quit. So if you're ready to see what you're truly capable of, hit that subscribe button, join this community, share your thought in the comments, and let's make the next 30 days a launch pad to a new you. It's your time to transform. Let's get started.